Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Unlock the phone and open settings. Find display or advanced features immediately. This is where Samsung puts rotation controls. If you don't see display, use the search bar at the top and type rotation to speed things up. You're doing this to control auto-rotate versus portrait lock. Once in the right menu, make sure you can reach the quick settings panel too, because you'll toggle from there if you want a faster method. You'll now turn off auto-rotate. In display settings, locate auto-rotate or screen rotation and switch it off. This prevents apps from changing orientation. Alternatively, swipe down twice to open quick settings and tap the auto-rotate tile to toggle it. If you want a fixed orientation, select portrait lock. This forces the screen upright across apps. Make sure to test with an app like Photos or Chrome so you can confirm the change. If it still flips, proceed to the next checks. You're finishing up. Restart the phone to clear temporary glitches that can ignore rotation settings. If the problem continues, check accessibility and motion smoothness or gesture settings. Some Samsung gestures override rotation. Make sure your system software is up to date in Settings Software Update. If still broken, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If rotation works in safe mode, uninstall the suspect app. That single step usually resolves stubborn rotation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.